Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a lollipop craft. To begin, you'll need colorful paper, sharp scissors, and reliable glue. Don't forget lollipop sticks, pretty ribbons, and any fun decorative elements you want to add. Make sure your workspace is clear and well lit for a smooth and enjoyable crafting experience. Now let's create the iconic lollipop swirl, which is truly the heart of this craft. Cut paper strips, about 1 inch wide and 8 inches long. Take 2 different colored strips and glue them together at one end. Then, carefully and tightly roll the combined strips to form a beautiful, colorful circular swirl. With your swirl ready, it's time to assemble your delightful lollipop. Secure the end of your rolled paper swirl with a small dab of glue to prevent any unraveling. Next, attach a sturdy lollipop stick to the back of the paper swirl. For extra stability, reinforce the stick attachment with a small, extra piece of paper glued over it. The fun part, decorating. Add ribbons or bows around the base of your lollipop stick for a charming and finished touch. Feel free to use glitter, fun stickers, or colorful markers to add extra flair and personalize each one. Consider making several lollipops to create a vibrant and truly delightful display.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.